Switching gears, mastering a useful English idiom. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into a very interesting English phrase, switching gears. This idiom is not only popular but also quite useful in various contexts. By the end of this video, you'll understand what it means, how to use it, and in what situations it's appropriate. So, let's get started. Switching gears is an idiom that originates from the operation of vehicles, where changing gears adjusts the speed and power of the engine. In everyday English, this phrase is used metaphorically to indicate a change in activity, topic, or approach. It implies a significant or abrupt shift, just like changing gears in a car requires a clear change in the engine's operation. To better grasp this idiom, let's look at some examples. 1. In a meeting, let's switch gears and discuss the new marketing strategy. 2. In a classroom, after the break, we'll switch gears and start learning about history. 3. Personal conversation. I know we're talking about movies, but let's switch gears and plan our trip. These examples show how switching gears can seamlessly indicate a transition in various scenarios. It's important to know when it's appropriate to use this phrase. Switching gears is suitable in formal and informal conversations, when introducing a new topic or idea, to signal a transition in discussions, presentations, or lectures. However, it might not be ideal in very formal or serious contexts, as it has a somewhat casual tone. For non-native English speakers, here are some tips. Pair switching gears with transitional phrases like now, let's, or moving on to. Practice using it in different contexts to become comfortable with its metaphorical meaning. Listen for this idiom in English movies, podcasts, or conversations to understand its usage in real-life situations. We hope this video has been enlightening and that you're now comfortable using the phrase, switching gears, in your daily English conversations. Remember, learning idioms is a great way to enrich your language skills and sound more like a native speaker. Happy learning, and see you in our next video.